Hey, in front of me is ONEPLUS 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into Settings. After that, you need to scroll all the way down and choose System Settings. Then click on One-Handed Mode section and click on this gray slider if it's not already on. Then follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you were to go back, you can always swipe up or just click on this section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!